Alright, so this is a Ridgeway wall clock with Westminster chime. It does work just fine, at least the time part does, but I'm wondering what is wrong with the chime. So let me first open this up, and so you can see it's running just fine. It's been running for a couple minutes now, and you can see the chime selection, and there's the chime. But here's what happens when it chimes. It's got this weird problem where the hammers are like completely stuck. I think it just needs cleaning, but you guys tell me if it needs more than that. So let me just it's just completely stuck. It needs to be completely unfrozen. Even here it's like completely stuck. But that's the chime. I'll try it again. Usually it'll start chiming or actually hitting the hammers will start hitting the rods if you play around with it enough, but it takes a long time to get that to work. So yeah, you guys tell me what you think is wrong and I'll appreciate it. Thank you very much.